Okay, let's take a look at this example. First, we have to convert mixed number to the improper fraction by multiplying denominator by the whole number, and the result we have to add to the numerator. 5 times 5 is 25 plus 4 is 29 over 5 divided by 5 over 7. Anytime you divide fractions, you have to copy down first one. So I have 29 over 5. You have to change division to the multiplication, and the second fraction we have to flip upside down. We have to find the reciprocal of the second fraction. We have 7 over 5. Next, check if we can reduce any numerator with any denominator. No, we cannot do that. So we simply multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by the denominator. 29 times 7 is 203. 203. 5 times 5 is 25. This is the example of the improper fraction. Okay, we cannot reduce this fraction because there is no any factor which can help us to reduce this fraction. That's why we are going to perform the long division. I have 203 divided by 25. How many times 25 goes into 203? Right? It goes 8 times. 8 times 25 is equal to 200. Subtract 203 minus 200 is 3. My answer is 8 and 3 over 25. Remember, the top goes to the front, this goes to the numerator, and divisor goes to the denominator. That's why my answer is 8 and 3 over 25.